Hi guys, my name is Noelle and today I'm going to be showing you how I get a green smoky spotlight eye using products from Superdrug. Today I already have my base done using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation and Concealer. They're matte finish and they stay matte all day and that's why I like them. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hot Jalapeno palette. It's a pocket-sized palette that fits in the palm of your hand but packs a big punch when it comes to pigments. And I'm going to take the deepest shade and then I'm just going to pack it into my piece. Now I'm going to go in with a B eyeshadow blending brush to blend out the eyeshadow. And then just do the same thing on the other eye. Take the deepest shade again and I'm just going to pack that on the outer edges of my eye and the inner corner of my eye. Take the blending brush again and I'm going to use the lighter green shade to wing out the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take the wing slightly beyond the brow just to get that dramatic effect. So now I'm going to add the green shimmer to my eye, which is going to be this shade right here. I'm going to put that right in the center of the eye so that it'll become a spotlight eye. And these shadows are really pigmented, so there's no need for eyeshadow primer here. So now I'm going to take the deepest shade from the palette again, just to blend those shadows that I laid down together. Then I'm just going to run the deepest shade again along the bottom of my eye. Take the blender brush again, dip into the lighter green shade, and blend those shadows together. So now we're going to go in with the lightest shade in the palette, which is this golden shade right here. I'm just going to apply it using this tiny brush. I'm just going to do it in the eye highlight. These are Superdrug own lashes. I'm just going to put them on my eye. Now I use the Max Factor mascara to blend my false lashes to my real lashes. I'm going to be outlining my lips using the Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner. It has a very smooth formula and it glides straight on, so get ready for it. Bring the lip liner slightly in so we can get a bit of an ombre effect. Take the Max Factor Lip Infinity in the shade Spiritual, which is a nice nude shade which will complement the eye very well. I'm just concentrating the product in the center of the lip so that we can get the nice ombre effect. And this product is amazing because it keeps your lips moisturized and nourished for ages. And this is it for my completed green spotlight smoky eye. I hope you enjoyed watching it and I'll see you soon. Bye!